Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this mini hair dryer that I bought. I needed something that had very low power, and I found this on Amazon. It is a Basuwell portable folding hair dryer, 800-watt mini blow dryer. So you can use it at home. You can put it in your handbag, if it's big enough, or your backpack. It's pretty small, as you can see, so you can travel with it when you're going on vacation. So it has 2-speed, it says, and it's 2 heat settings and no cooling. And on the description it says that it's 110 through 120 volt. So we're gonna be unboxing this pretty pink mini hair dryer. Let's see. So it has an instructional manual, and let's open this mini dryer. So this is it. This is what it looks like. It's very light. I like that. Oh, I think I'm gonna like this. Just open it. Not much to it. Okay, the 2-speed on, speed 1, speed 2. Like it says in the description, there's no cooling settings. Check out the back here, where the air is gonna come out. And now let's test it. Okay, let's test this mini hair dryer. This is the 1st speed. Very strong. Stronger. Very hot. For speed 2. Speed 1. Speed 2. Yeah. This was a good buy. Yeah. It gets hot very quickly, immediately, actually. And so that's what I wanted to show you, my new mini hair dryer that I can take with me almost anywhere that I go. I really think this can fit in all of my handbags, so this is good. Especially summer's coming pretty soon, swimming season. You can take your own hair dryer with you so you can dry your hair after swimming. So this is gonna be good. Just pop it in my handbag, and I'll be ready for to dry my hair during summer. So anyways, I hope you like this unboxing, and check out my other video reviews, and I'll see you in my next video, and enjoy your day. Later.